Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Mila B, and today I'm showing you guys how I apply my Apres nails. So the first thing that I do is I push back my cuticles and then I clean them up using the fine sanding bit and my e-file on the lowest speed. The next thing I do is size up all of my nails and just go ahead and lay them out. It just makes the transition way quicker. Once I figure out what matches my nails, I get them slightly larger than my nails. Then I go ahead and I file the inside down just to kind of give it a rough surface. I noticed doing this, it helps them last longer. And then I come and I just slightly clean up around the sides to make them fit my nails a little bit better. Now, recently I've been dehydrating my nails with acetone, and I just feel like when I do my polygel nails, it lasts longer. So I dehydrated with acetone, and then I came in with the base coat. I'm using Gershion for all of these gels and polygels today. After I cure for 30 seconds, I apply some Gershion Polygel. This is their clear. I'll make sure I link everything in the description box. And then I just apply a little bit and push the nail down and then clean up around the cuticles. Now, I used to clean up around my cuticles with alcohol, and there's really nothing wrong with that. But for me, I wanted to try acetone to see if it would go ahead and just remove everything quicker. And honestly, for the cleanup process, I prefer the acetone. So you can see I cured each nail as I went because I didn't want to mess up anything. Right before I put the nails into the lamp, I made sure I kind of held them down. That helps prevent from getting any air bubbles because sometimes, see, there we go right there. Sometimes you move and you get a little bubble. So I'll go ahead and I press and I hold it. Each nail I cure for 60 seconds. I am using my Kira Sky lamp. I also make sure that I put that in the description box. And then when I'm done, if I have any spillage, I just clean up underneath. And then I come in with my sanding band and I clean up the cuticles and just rough up the nails, especially if I know that I'm going to be covering this with some type of gel polish or something. But if you want to skip this step, you really can. Just use your hand file and just make sure that it's kind of smooth to your liking. But this is pretty much it. I really like these nails because it's so quick and easy. I don't have to sit here doing my nails all day. This process, start to finish, takes me about 25 minutes. So just want to share it with you guys, and I hope this can help somebody. But make sure that you subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mila B out.